The diagram below shows the path of a small rocket which is fired into the air. The height h meters of the rocket after t seconds is given by 16t minus t squared. After how many seconds will the rocket first be at a height of 60 meters? And finally, will the rocket reach a height of 70 meters? Justify your answer. Okay, so let's set the height equal to 60. And now we can rearrange and equate this equal to 0. And then we can factorise it to solve it. So we rearrange and equate it to 0, we get t squared minus 16t plus 60 equals 0. So to factorise this, we look at the final term, that's 60. What factors do we have for 60 that in combination will give us 16? Well, 6 times 10 would give you 60, and the combination of 6 and 10 would give us 16. So that looks as if that would work. So it's going to be something like this. And if we try t minus 6 and t minus 6, that actually works. T times t gives you t squared, t times minus 10 gives you minus 10t, minus 6 times t gives you another minus 6t, which gives you a total of minus 16t, which is what we're after, and negative 6 times negative 10 gives us plus 60, so this works. So in other words, t equals 6 is one of our roots, and t equals 10 is one of our roots. So in answer to question A, after how many seconds will the rocket first be at a height of 60 meters? Well, the answer to that is after 6 seconds. So that's when it first reaches a height of 60, after t equals 6 seconds. It helps if we actually put these onto our diagram here. So that's a height of 60. So that's after 6 seconds. And this is after 10 seconds. So we want to know if the rocket's going to reach a height of 70 meters or not. Well, let's look at the peak. The peak occurs here at the axis of symmetry, where x is equal to 8. So we want to know this point here, the turning point. So we want to know the height, 16t minus t squared. We want to know what the height is when it's after 8 seconds. So let's plug those values in. So 16 times 8 minus 8 squared. So that's going to give us 128 minus 8 squared is 64. So that gives us 64. So in other words, after 8 seconds it reaches a maximum height of 64 meters. So that's less than our 70 meters.